The question of specimen copy 2024 ICSE 10th class mathematics, which is not explained. The solution of this question is not explained anywhere, nowhere. This is here a right angle triangle shaped piece of hardboard is rotated completely above its hypotenuse as shown in the diagram. The solid so formed is always a single cone, a double cone. Which of the statement is valid? Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one or not two. The answer is double cone. Why this is double cone? Because here there is a video I have done for this one. Let me explain this one. There is a question in specimen copy 2024 10th class. If a right angle triangle is rotated with its hypotenuse, then what will be the shape of the new figure? See, this is here. This is the right angle triangle. It is right angle at A and it rotates this side. Okay. This is hypotenuse. BC is hypotenuse. It rotates this side. Then what will be the shape of this figure? This shape is double cone. How? You see, it is rotated. Then this is here. This is a circle. You see this one. This is when this one rotated, this will form, this one is a cone and this one is a cone. This is, let this one is O. Then AC and this is your D. ACDO, this one is a cone, and ADB, this one is a cone. So this is your double cone form.